Little Urban Apothecary Essential Oil 101. Today we're going to talk about sweet orange essential oil. Plant origin, the traditional uses of sweet orange oil, remedies, why the remedies work, and a little bit about our essential oil that we sell and where you're able to buy our finished products. A little bit about sweet orange. This essential oil is extracted from the fruit peel of the sweet orange fruit itself. For centuries in both Western and Eastern cultures, it has been recognized as a valuable food source. It originates from the USA, Italy, South Africa, and China. This fruit itself is a great source of vitamin C. However, the essential oil itself does not provide vitamin C. As well, if you're familiar with mandarin, mandarin would be like a close cousin to sweet orange. Traditional uses. So a lot of people use sweet orange oil as an antidepressant. It has a very uplifting, happy smell. So it's great to smell if you're kind of feeling down. Maybe you're having a rough day, need to uplift your spirits, and you just overall maybe just have the blues. It's a great stimulant for your appetite. It helps to reduce cellulite, hypertension, insomnia. It's great for a dull and oily complexion, and it also boosts your immunity, which is very important. So a little bit about remedies. So I'm just going to talk about three here today. The first one is going to be diffusing the sweet orange essential oil. So the oil that you purchase must be pure, 100% pure. It cannot be mixed with any other type of oil, like a carrier oil. I do notice some products are diluted that way, and you don't want to use that in your diffuser directly. It could actually clog your diffuser. So highly recommend you using purely 100% pure oils. As well, another great way to diffuse it is if you have a diffuser, a necklace or bracelet. Some people have diffuser earrings, rings. You simply would place a couple drops on your diffuser bracelet and actually wear it throughout the day, and you're going to get the smell of the essential oil on your bracelet, and that will help make you feel good. And as well, if you have a diffuser that you plug in the wall, I would highly recommend putting in a minimum of 6 drops. However, if you like, I mean, you can add a little less, or if you want a stronger scent of the oil, just simply add a little bit more. Are you suffering from lack of appetite? So once again, diffuse 3 drops or more while you're preparing your dinner. So just simply when you're putting all your little goodies together for dinner, just have your little diffuser just kind of uh, diffusing its great aroma in the air, and it will help you um, get your salivatory juices to start flowing. And cellulite. This is a great one for cellulite. So you simply would take 3 drops of oil to a tablespoon of a carrier oil. So a carrier oil is simply sweet almond oil, olive oil, fractionated coconut oil. You might have some olive oil in your house or castor oil. So some kind of oil that you can simply just add the orange essential oil to. So make yourself a little concoction and just pour a little in your hands and do some little circular strokes, gently massage your leg, so to speak. So from little strokes from your ankles, little circular strokes all the way up to your thighs and all the way back down and back up again, and just keep going back up again until you've got all your mixture rubbed into your legs. And plus, your legs are going to feel nice and soft after the carrier oil that you have chosen. Why does sweet orange oil work? Well, studies have found that the smell itself, actually, the tangy, sweet aroma of the oil lifts your mood, therefore reducing depression. And it, like I said, it stimulates your appetite. The oil is good for cellulite simply because it has diuretic properties. Our essential oil-based products. So we do sell quite a selection of all natural products in our stores. We use only essential oils in our products. So um, encourage you to go have a check out of some of our little shops that we have online. We love to do virtual selling. All our products are created in small batches in a clean working product studio in St. John, New Brunswick, Canada. We use only the finest all natural ingredients and pure essential oils. All of our products have gone through strict testing. Our ingredients are submitted to Health Canada along with our product, and we follow their strictest guidelines. So, where to buy? Amazon Canada and Amazon USA. We sell our products on there. So, you just simply search Little Urban Apothecary Canada, and you'll have a selection of all the little products that we have on there. And you can kind of click on our shop and kind of see everything that we have. We also have a Etsy shop, and it's called Little Apothecary Shop. Simply do the same thing there. You'll find us there. And Facebook, we just search Little Urban Apothecary and you'll find us on Facebook. So that's it for today. On It's just a little. Hopefully, it gives you a few little ideas. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. You'll find that we've got some step-by-step tutorials there with free recipes on how to make some bath bombs, shower steamers, beard oils, soaps, all kinds of different things. So please go on there, subscribe. We post videos regularly, so you'll be aware of when we've posted something new and exciting. So that's part one of our Essential Oil 101 videos. Thank you again for watching and stay tuned for more.